I made this oil wax burner in one of my earlier videos. I created this with scrap wood and a spoon that I had laying around. My wife loved this burner, but she used camphor instead of wax or oil. It's good but not great. So I had decided to make 3 separate burner designs that I can share with you all. The first will be an updated version that is compact and simple to use. I will stick with the same wood. Using a hole saw. Polishing with 80 grit sandpaper. Routing a slot for a spoon to rest. The main thing is to give a spoon the perfect angle so that it sits exactly on top of the candle. I want it to be like a Lego set with the spoon fitting firmly without screw. However, the spoon was loose and the slot was larger than I had planned. With the previous burner, I screwed the spoon inside but was unable to remove the candle. I can easily place the candle. I am filling the space with wood sheet and gluing in. Finishing it with a router to remove the sharp edges. Drilling a hole to remove the candle. Sanding it down and giving it a final polish. and it's ready, but much better than a previous one. Which will appear to be a product rather than a DIY project. I am making this out of a dark pine wood. I am going to carve a slot in between wood for a candle. I don't have table saw machine, so I used my metal working machine to make a slot. Also I purchased a drill bit, but it is not long enough to drill through the wood, so I will have to cut extra wood. Since my hand drill was insufficiently powerful, I am using a bench drill. The slot I made was not deep enough and redoing it take too long. So I will remove the excess material with a chisel. Because I don't have any curved chisel, I countersunk the pipe with a drill and made a sharp corner, which will help in creating a curve shape. I have no woodworking experience, so please correct me if I am doing something wrong. Originally, I was going to use a spoon as a wax holder, but I changed my mind and decided to use a small plate, which looks cute. The candle isn't getting enough air to burn, so I will have to make a larger slot to place the candle. So I have two options. I will have to make the slot bigger or place the candle little lower. As a result, I used a small chuck to hold the drill bit and a large chuck to hold the small chuck, which allowed me to drill deeper. And it's now perfect. I am new to woodworking and I learned a little bit about grain and grain direction. I am using that to give a finish. I am thinking of making the third one a mix of first and second, so it looks homemade but also classy. I am using a square wood block and finishing it. I am going to use a different spoon for this. Made a space for a candle and mount a spoon with a bike chain to give it an industrial look. And finish with linseed oil. And you are done. So, which one is your favorite? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you got any tips for a woodworking newbie like me, I'm all ears.